right this minute. Premiering on HLN Monday night, 10 Eastern.
We just heard gunshots at the gas station.
Bring help, please, now.
Someone got shot.
It was coming from over by the gas station, and then it looked like a Dodge Durango. It was like pop, 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 pop.
I'd never been so scared in my life. That's when I reached in my glove box, unholstered my pistol.
Yeah, it was about 9 shots.
Gunned down by a man who didn't like the loud music that my son and his friends played in their car.
You just hear the heavy bass. But it really wasn't an issue of loud music. It was an issue of them threatening my life.
Once all the facts come out, it will be very clear that Mr. Dunn acted responsibly and as any responsible firearms owner would have acted under these same circumstances.
And he goes, "You're dead."
And I said, baby, let me give you a hug. Let me give you a hug. He says, Mom, I gotta go. And I said, please, just let me give you a hug. And that was the last time I saw him.
Day one, opening statements in the shooting and killing of Jordan Davis. Michael Dunn, the man accused of murder. His attorney delivering opening statement today, as well as the prosecutor in the case. We've got a legal dream team in the house, Tanya Miller and Darren Kavanoki. We've been listening to the defense now. And a lot of focus on a couple of items here, and I want you to tell me if you think either one's reasonable doubt. Let's start with the pocket knife. Apparently, Jordan Davis had a 4-inch blade pocket knife in his possession. His friends didn't tell police about it, according to the defense. Is that reasonable doubt?
No, it is absolutely. It is a red herring. It is so irrelevant, and here's why it's irrelevant. One, Dunn didn't see the pocket knife, so he can't say I acted because I was afraid he had a pocket knife. Two, the knife was found inside of his pocket at the scene, so he never took it out. Dunn never saw it. It's completely irrelevant and an attempt to make the victim look dirty. All
right, Darren Kavanoki, the other thing the defense talking about here is the scene itself, saying police never searched, that for a short time period as the Durango is driving away, because Michael Dunn's shooting at it, so you drive away from someone shooting at you, that's what you do, but drives 100 yards away into the darkness, and the defense alleges no search of that scene has taken place. They could have ditched whatever shotgun or weapon that they had inside of that Durango. Is that reasonable doubt, Darren?
Well, I think it's a good argument for the defense to make, but ultimately, I think common sense is going to prevail. And the most common sense notion I've heard came from one of your Twitter followers, Vinny, that is, if they had a gun, if there was a gun that they ditched, don't you think they would have used it as they were being fired upon? And hopefully, those are the kinds of questions and comments that the jurors will make after the case is submitted to them when they're in the privacy of that jury room.
All right, let's take you right back inside the courtroom now. Corey Strolla is the defense attorney's name, and he's good.